Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Shiba Inu owners are advised to prepare for a $8.9 trillion earthquake. The Shib News Shibarium's launch is being closely watched by the crypto community, but the beta version stats thus far seem encouraging. There are 16 validators in all at Shibarium, according to the company's website. While the overall compensation given out exceeds 119 million bones, Shibarium's total stake exceeds 505 million bones. We will discuss advising Shiba Inu owners to prepare for a $8.9 trillion earthquake in this video. News Shib to see our most recent Shiba Inu videos, pricing forecasts, and expert analysis. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Shib did not react as anticipated to the Shibarium launch update. Shib's price has decreased by more than 2% during the past 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap. Shib was trading at $0.8439 at the time of writing and had a market capitalization of more than $4.9 billion. Shib's on-chain measurements, however, offered some encouragement for future improvement. Quant Shib's exchange reserve was decreasing in terms of cryptocurrency. A decrease in the indicator shows that there was no selling pressure on memecoin, which is a bullish sign. Shib's daily active addresses were similarly high, much like the quantity of transactions. Shib's recent exchange outflow has increased, according to the mood chart. Shib's MVRV ratio was significantly lower, though, which is often bearish. It was also intriguing to see that Shib was still being talked about in the cryptosphere. Its comparatively high social volume made this obvious. Shiba Inu is mired in a bearish storm as the continued market unrest and the asset's large supply have prevented a surge like the one seen in 2021. However, some supporters have persisted in holding out hope for a rise to $0.1 or perhaps $0.1 in the near future. Most investors looking forward to this price increase want to make up for the chance they missed during the previous life-changing rally. Shib increased by 749,597% in just 8 months, from $0.983 in February of 2021 to $0.8190 in October of the same year, according to data from CoinGecko. As a result, a $134 investment became worth $1 million. Investors continue to forecast a similar price increase in the hopes of finding another opportunity to earn such a stunning return on investment. To stage such a stunning rally, the asset would need to lose 3 or 4 additional zeros from its current price. Shiba Inu is now available for sale for $0 right now. The asset's price would have to increase by 1169 times before it reached $0.1. If Shib is able to accomplish this, an investor would only need to put up slightly more than $855.40 at current time in order to make $1 million. Similar to the previous example, if the asset could only reach $0.1, it would take $8,554 to make $1 million. However, the key question is whether such a rally is possible given the asset's existing position and the large amount of circulating supply. The pre-life-changing rally of Shiba Inu was significant. The asset's current supply prevents a surge to $0.1 because to Vitalik Buterin's burning of 410 trillion tokens in May 2021. As a result, the Shiba Inu community has supported a number of programs to lessen the supply that is circulated. The community-based independent projects Blaze, Token, and Koya Token have all made significant contributions to the burn campaign. The community is looking to welcome initiatives like Shibarium, Shibaswap 20, and Shiba Inu MORE, which should help introduce more utility to the ecosystem and bolster burns, with all hands on deck to address the asset supply crisis. The circulating asset supply of 574.8 trillion might be dramatically decreased if these projects have strong adoption rates. Shib may have a chance to shoot for $0.1 or $0.1 if this happens. It's crucial to remember that the asset's price trajectory cannot be precisely forecast, and that this should not be regarded as financial advice. The price of Shiba Inu has barely changed over the past 24 hours, and at $0.850 right now, it has decreased by 2% over the past week. At a period of market uncertainty for cryptocurrencies, Shib is also down by 19% over the previous month but is up by 5% year-to-date, a period during which many other cryptocurrencies have had significantly greater gains. Shib is actually up 1% from a low set yesterday, despite its inertia over the previous day, indicating that the altcoin might be about to regain some much-needed impetus. And because the coin appears to have reached a bottom, the long-awaited debut of the Shibarium layer may indeed herald some substantial rallies for two-network Shib in the coming weeks. With its relative strength index rising to 50 after a day or so spin around, or just under 30, which implies overselling, the Shib chart also hints that it is gradually gaining some pace. Shib's 30-day moving average, shown in yellow, has also appeared to have bottomed out after many days of decline, providing the sense of an impending rebound. It's reassuring to see that Shib's position is consolidating and strengthening once more following its recent dips, as well as that the altcoin's support level is gradually climbing. In terms of basics, very little can be used to explain Shib's modest improvement during the past few days. It's important to note that the cryptocurrency market as a whole has seen a 1% increase over the last day. Such a precarious recovery might be destroyed if the US ultimately defaults on its debt. The debt ceiling must be raised by Congress and the White House by June 1st. If not, it will be late with payments. Shib, which has experienced a less ferocious recovery over the past several months than other significant tokens, would be very negatively affected by such a default on the cryptocurrency market. However, given that Shib has the debuts of Shibarium and the Shib metaverse to look forward to, the medium and long-term outlook for Shib does undoubtedly appear very positive. Shibarium developers claim that Layer 2 should officially launch at some time between now and the end of August. Even though this is a rather hazy timeline, the introduction of Shibarium will significantly increase Shiba Inu's appeal as a platform for dApps and DeFi. Shiba Inu, an ERC20 token that has occasionally been hampered by Ethereum's notoriously high fees, will benefit from cheaper and quicker transactions thanks to its Layer 2 network. The Shibarium testnet has completed 10 million transactions, according to latest data. It was little over 12 million at the time of the most recent count. This suggests that there may be a substantial expansion in Shiba Inu dApps and projects once it has its complete launch, because it displays a great deal of interest in a Layer 2 network. Exactly as Brashly, Shib's supply will decrease and its price may climb concurrently as a result of Shibarium's increased burning of Shib. All of these shows that Shib may be significantly undervalued right now, and that the meme coin may have some significant rallies in the second part of the year. Shib the Metaverse, which is expected to launch at the end of 2023 and has recently released a number of updates, may also contribute to the amplifying of such rallies. When it is released, it will have a variety of districts and games in addition to little over 100,000 virtual pieces of land that may be purchased as NFTs. Despite the relative lack of information, excitement for the platform is still at an all-time high, and the eventual debut is expected to spark significant price increases for Shib as well as for its sibling tokens Bone and Leash. Shib could easily return to $0.1 or 20 cents in the next weeks from its present price of $0.00851, with the introduction of Shibarium having the ability to propel it as high as 50 cents. Nearly 500 billion Shib tokens from a sizable Shiba Inu that had been dormant for more than 7 months have been transferred to the faltering cryptocurrency exchange Hotbit, likely with the intention of selling the tokens after realizing a big profit. Notably, Hotbit requested that its users remove their tokens before June 21st in order to continue using the service. The company said that as a result of an inquiry into a former employee that caused it to temporarily cease operations, its operating conditions deteriorated. After being inactive for more than 7 months, the Shib whale transferred 499.6 billion tokens to Hotbit. A transaction for $0.85 per Shib token, or $4.24 million, was made. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To view our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.